All right, welcome back. And now we're going to talk about increasing, decreasing, and constant behaviors when it comes to a function. Okay, so on here it says, suppose I is an interval contained within the domain of a function f. Okay, it says f is increasing on the interval I if f of x1 is less than f of x2 for all x1 that are less than x2 on the interval I. Okay, so that means for all values x1 and xi, where x1 is less than xi on the interval, we get where the function of f of x1, right, evaluated at x1, is less than the value of f of x2, which means the y value here is less than the y value here. So that means it's going up from left to right, right? So it's increasing, okay? So if you have a function that's increasing from left to right, then we call it increasing, right? So this is the algebraic definition, right? So f is increasing on this interval if f of x1 is less than f of x2 for all x1 less than x2 on the interval. Now similarly, f is decreasing on the interval I if f of x1 is greater than f of x2 for all x1 that are less than x2 on the interval. So in other words, it's going downward because this y value is less than this y value as you go from left to right. Okay? And then f is constant on the interval I if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 for all x1 and x2 on the interval I. And so those are the definitions that we use to determine the behavior as either increasing, decreasing, or constant. Okay? And so we'll do an example to show you.